If you've been exploring ways to build income online but feel unsure where to start, this video will walk you through exactly how our training platform works. Not hype, not guesswork, just a clear path that shows you how people are learning real digital marketing skills and building businesses in today's online economy. Let's walk through what this journey actually looks like. The first step is simple. You explore the available e-learning programs and choose the one that fits your current finances, goals, and objectives. Some people begin with a smaller program to learn the basics. Others jump into the full training to learn everything at once. There's no pressure to rush. The goal is simply to start where it makes sense for you. Once you select your program, you'll purchase the training and your website. Your website becomes the home of your online business, the place where people can learn about the programs and the skills being taught. From there, you'll also purchase your domain name and professional email address, giving your business a professional presence online. Next, you'll register your account inside the digital growth community. This is where the real environment of learning begins. Inside the community, you'll find live interactive trainings, a network of entrepreneurs building in the digital space, opportunities for mentorship and mindset support, and ongoing education that continues expanding your knowledge. This isn't just a course library. It's an active learning environment designed to help you grow. Once your account is created, you'll gain access to the training modules for your program. Before you even begin the modules, you'll also receive step-by-step video instructions showing you exactly how to set up your website. Everything is explained clearly. You simply follow the videos step by step. No rushing, no confusion. Just steady progress as you build your skills. As you move through your modules, take your time. This is about learning the digital space and developing real skills. Inside the community, you'll also find daily insights and strategies shared by our founder and mentor. The ideas you can apply as you grow your business. You'll see people asking questions, sharing wins, and supporting each other along the journey. It's an environment built for learning, collaboration, and growth. And don't forget the step-by-step blueprint you received in your very first email. That blueprint shows the exact structure many people follow as they launch and grow. In fact, following the blueprint has helped create 128 six-figure earners in the United States alone. It's designed to give you direction as you move forward. If you're curious about what learning these skills could look like for you, take time to explore the training platform. Look through the programs, see what resonates with your goals, and if it feels like the right next step, everything you need to begin is already waiting for you. Your journey into the digital space starts with learning the skills, and this platform is designed to help you do exactly that. I hope to see y'all on the inside.